So this is the Omnilux Contour. It's the Face Medical Grade Anti-Aging LED Light Therapy Device. Now, this device comes with a quick start guide and a user manual, a travel pouch, and several different power attachments. Now, I'm in the United States, so I'm going to go ahead and stick that in there. You just snap it on until it clicks, and then with the press of the button, you can interchange it if you are traveling. Coolest thing about this is its portable battery pack. So this makes it so that you can use the mask on the couch, wherever you need it and wherever you can carry it with you while traveling. You're not trapped to the outlet, the plug outlet. The material is super soft, very flexible, but it's also very thick, so it's a quality mask. The treatments are in 10-minute intervals, and enjoy.